I must get enough sleep. I must learn to forgive myself. I must be kind to myself. I mustn't be too hard on myself. I mustn't be too harsh on myself. I mustn't be too critical of myself. I'd better keep on trying. I'd better keep on practicing. I'd better keep on working. I'd better not get too worried. I'd better not get too stressed. I'd better not get too overwhelmed. I have to focus my mind. I have to focus my attention. I have to focus my concentration. I've got to trust my instinct. I've got to trust my judgment. I've got to trust my intuition. We've got to believe in our talent. We've got to believe in our capability. We've got to believe in our potential. I should ask for support if I'm struggling. I should ask for advice if I'm troubled. I should ask for help if I'm in need. I shouldn't accept what the naysayers say. I shouldn't accept what the doubters say. I shouldn't accept any self-limitation. We ought to celebrate our victories. We ought to celebrate our successes. We ought to celebrate our achievements. I must get enough sleep.